My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Hi guys, this is Tasneem from Vienna Bakers, Pune. Today, this cake is very close to my heart as it is my first try on bust cake, and it is self-learned. So I have like spent hours and hours learning the techniques right and carving the cake. So and I have also got inspired by many of my favorite artists of the industry, and learned tips and techniques from each and got together here. So the theme is Metamorphosis, which is again inspired by my mother and my grandmother and their beautiful journey of aging, and it is also dedicated to all the mothers who have who always do so much and very less acknowledged. So here the skull used in this cake is entire chocolate. The eyes, as you see, they are so beautiful. They are made of Isomalt. The butterflies, all the colorful butterflies are again Isomalt. Here you can see the shells. I'll show you a close-up of this later. The shells which I've used here are made of Pastillage. The caterpillars are made of Pastillage. As you see, this big butterflies wings which I've put here behind. I will try to remove, I'm not sure if, yeah, this big butterfly wing. This is again made of Isomalt. I later colored it and just got it here, and it's looking very beautiful. The cake used here is vanilla and frosted with chocolate. And yes, do let me know if you like this cake, and thank you very much.
My heart